You know, your medicine cabinet might seem safe, but some pills can be a dangerous mix.
It's no joke. Mixing just 2 common pills could land you in the emergency room.
So, let's look at 5 of these deadly duos. These are combos you really need to know.
Okay, first up, blood thinners like warfarin mixed with everyday painkillers like ibuprofen.
And the danger here? A huge risk of serious internal bleeding in your stomach.
So what's the tip? Stick to paracetamol and watch for weakness or dark stools.
Next up, we've got sedatives for anxiety or sleep mixed with opioids like tramadol.
This one is really dangerous. It can slow your system down so much, your breathing stops.
Just remember this, never combine sleep pills and pain pills. Keep an eye on breathing. Now this one might surprise you. Daily aspirin plus common antidepressants like sertraline.
You might not believe it, but this combo can literally double your risk of bleeding.
So make sure your heart doctor knows, and look out for any unusual bruising.
Number 4 is for diabetes. It's combining insulin with another pill that lowers blood sugar.
What's the risk? Your blood sugar could drop to a deadly low level.
It's serious.
Here's a life-saving tip. Always have some candy on you. And know the 15-15 rule.
And finally, mixing 2 common blood pressure meds can be a real problem too.
Yeah, this mix can make your blood pressure drop so fast you could faint or fall.
The key is to move slowly. Always change positions carefully and test your balance.
So why does this happen?
Well, the risk just explodes if you take 5 or more meds.
It's a thing called polypharmacy. Every new pill you add just cranks up the risk.
But don't worry, you can protect yourself. Here's a simple 2-step safety plan.
Step 1, every time you get a new prescription, ask your doctor these 3 things.
And step 2 is absolutely critical. Keep one single, complete list of your meds.
Your list has to have it all. Prescriptions, OTC stuff, vitamins, everything. Show it every time.
You have to be your own safety advocate. And please, always consult your geriatrician.